Okay, so just sold rear brake pads on a 2019 Honda Odyssey. The 19 Odyssey does have electronic parking brakes, so I'm going to need to put the brake pads into maintenance mode in order to do these brake pads. I'm going to be using the OTOFIX D1 scan tool right here to do that. This scanner is the bee's knees. It's a thin tablet style scan tool. It's for all makes and models. OTOFIX. This is the D1 version. There is a Pro and a Lite version I will be reviewing soon. It comes with a Bluetooth DLC connector with light. So we will boot this up, plug her in, and see if we can get the brake pads into maintenance mode. Now, EPB, or electronic parking brake, is just this electric motor in the back caliper that basically screws in and out the piston for the caliper. So you're unable to squeeze in the piston until you back out that motor. Jump up here like a spider monkey and use this light to locate the DLC connection. Plug her in. It's gonna automatically turn on the ignition here. And this bottom menu here, you can click BCI. And it'll show you that it's trying to connect to the DLC right now. Just give it a moment. The DLC connector over there should light up blue when it's actually connected. There we go. So, nice thing about having a wireless Bluetooth DLC connection is you can step out of the car, close the door, and still be connected to the vehicle. If that ain't magic, I do not know what is. Automatically pull the VIN here. Alright. Select USA. There it is, 2019 Honda Odyssey. And we wait, and we wait, and we wait a little bit more. Get some tools ready here. The 19 Odyssey actually uses 13mm bolts in the back for those calipers. I don't know why. So here we are. We have the main menu here: diagnosis, hot functions, service, and vehicle profile. Let's see if I can go into hot functions. So EPB, it's electronic parking brake there. Let's see if I can just go straight into it this way. And there it is. So EPB, we got brake pad maintenance mode right there. Go ahead and select that. And here we are. So we got enter brake pad maintenance mode and then back to normal mode. So enter brake pad maintenance mode, hit OK. Make sure you got 10 volts. So we will hit OK, and there we go. And just like that, we are now in brake pad maintenance mode, and I can go ahead and replace the brake pads. Now, when you do this, basically, once you hit enter brake pad maintenance mode, it's going to stay in that mode until you click back to normal mode. So we can actually go ahead and turn off the ignition. Leave the DLC connected. We'll just set this bad boy down, lock it, and knock out these brake pads, and then get it back to normal mode. This thing is super thin, and it's pretty quick. Let's peek the X431 right quick for comparison, since both of these can do all systems. This one can only do 4 systems, but it's a lot cheaper than both of these, so depending on what you need the scan tool for, this might be your best bet. The 129E, definitely the cheaper option. It can still do, I believe it's right here. Check engine light, transmission, SRS, ABS, and then oil light reset. So that's all you need a scanner for. This is a great option. The X431 is also a great option. It does have a wired DLC, just like this one, so it's not Bluetooth. This is the only one with Bluetooth DLC. It's the OTOFIX one that I have here. But just for comparison here, the screen's about the same size, but the actual scanner is hilariously different in size. So thick boy brick right here, and then you got a little slabby tablet right here. So both of these work great. Both of these can put vehicles into brake pad maintenance mode and back, as well as do all sorts of other tests, clear codes, etc. So yeah, I believe this one is around $450 on Amazon. This one's about 600 bucks. So for an extra 150 bucks, you're definitely getting a lot nicer looking scan tool. Put that guy back in there. Nice hard case for this one. This one gives you a soft little case, and a nice hard case for this one. So might as well show you guys this other launch scan tool here. This one is just for Honda and Acura, but it's got free lifetime updates, and it can put Hondas in brake pad maintenance mode. It can do system checks, it can do graphs, it can clear codes, it can do all the stuff that the big guys do. The only downside is it only works for Honda and Acura, so depending on what you need your scan tool for, there's definitely some different options that may be good or bad for you. So that one as well. Let me show you the case for the 129E. is just a soft case like this, but again, it's a lot cheaper than these two options. I believe this one is around $200 on Amazon right now. This one is, don't quote me on this, but around $180. So if you just have a Honda and you only want a scan tool for your personal car, this is a beautiful option. If you need a scanner for multiple makes and models, but you don't need it to do everything, you don't need it to be able to go through all systems, just the big ones, then this is a perfect one for you. If you want to spend a little bit more than this one to get all the systems, then the X431 is for you. And then if you want to go a little bit more and spend around 600 bucks, it'll get you this nice tablet style. And for my first impressions, I haven't used these for too long. I've been using this one and this one quite a bit. Just started using this one, and by far this one's my favorite for obvious reasons, being its tiny little tablet and the wireless DLC, as well as the Autel software. OTOFIX runs on Autel software, so you get really nice software with these. All right, we can now take the brake pads out of maintenance mode. Let's do that. Jump up here like a spider monkey one more time, just to turn the ignition back on. All right, brake pad maintenance mode. Yeah. You can go ahead and click back to normal mode. Make sure it's over 10 volts. Press OK. And bing bong. Pure magic. The pad was moved to its original position. This function procedure is finished. Go ahead and hit OK. And just like that, we are done. Ignition off. Disconnect the DLC. Whoop. And just like that, we are done.
Going home?
Going home. Never coming back.
That day.